Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Options and welcome to this trade review of our recently closed trade ID number 562. This was on Qualcomm. As you can see, it was in our impulse strategy, just long calls, the entry on May 26th. Now I want you to take a look at this chart. A couple of interesting things to note on this alert. As you can see, it's in a wave 5 to the downside with a target around 120, somewhere around mid-June, the 20th of June to be exact. So keep that in mind. But our AI, which we are now doing beta testing on infusing AI into our impulse or directional strategy to enhance Elliott Wave to be even further accurate than it already is. A lot of you are familiar with our AI-based time strategy, which has been ultra successful since we launched it a year ago. Not a losing month yet. But taking a look at this Qualcomm position, the AI says we were looking for a bounce up near that wave 4 target. In addition, the oscillator, which in general reflects momentum, was showing divergence. So it was showing that this downward move was kind of running out of steam. And that's exactly what happened. Stock bounced to the upside just 5 days later. And you can see we didn't quite bounce all the way up to the wave 4, but we did get right to the 50-day moving average, which concern was going to act as a little bit of resistance, and we had separation from the 10-day moving average, meaning that short term, with those 3 big up days, we were a little bit overbought. So we went ahead and took the 56% in those 5 days, which I think most people would take a 56% return in 5 days. I'd like you to go back and look at the chart, because if you notice the chart afterwards, it did eventually get up to the 150, but before it did that, following consolidation, it went all the way down and hit that wave 5 low target at 120 on the 16th of June. So it was forecast to hit on the 20th. It got there a little early on the 20th of June. But in the meantime, we were able to catch that short-term bounce. The power of AI injecting into Elliott Wave for directional trades. We're so excited about where that can go. If you want more information, look us up at ewotrader.com. Hope you found that informative. Look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care, everybody.
If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.